Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So from line number 363 to 371, we have a quick link category. The first category, task. Second category, manage access. Third category, it's something manage. So you could see all three categories here. See, task, access, identity, all three categories. Now we are going to add fourth category. So always, I'm a lazy guy, so I'll do copy paste. So here I'm going to introduce new custom category. Message key will be custom. The category name will be custom. And the ordering number, whether it's going to be appear first, second, third, fourth. I'm going to mention fourth. The last one it will appear. The category got created now. Category, correct? Save. The first step is done. Second step, you have to create the quick link object. So you guys know how to create the object basically. So we'll try to find the identical object first. So create a new object. So as usual, the first step, make sure you have to remove all the created, modified values, everything. Okay, better I'll do one thing, guys. We'll create it from the scratch. Guys, I have a question. Can we use SailPoint on mobile? Anyone?
What say? Well, I didn't get you.
I think it's
Can
a
we
desktop
access
version.
SailPoint on mobile? Do we have a mobile version of SailPoint?
We never tried it.
No.
Never tried it.
Okay. But we can use SailPoint on mobile application as well.
Huh.
Yeah. So Sani, can you remove all the created, modified values, everything?
Okay.
And this creation will be taken care of by developers. So no worries. No, we'll do one thing. So this dynamic scope is not required. We'll remove it. Definitely we should have quick link option. We can remove this. So Control D is the shortcut if you want to remove this quick link option. We'll remove this as well. Okay, now we have an object XML tag. The category should be custom. Here you have to mention your category. All custom. Quick link action, create identity. Custom object created. This value we can remove, it's not required. ID. The message key will be the custom object name you have to mention. So we are going to mention debug page. The name of the object also, it will be debug page.
Ordering should be 4, right?
Yeah, ordering.
Order would be 4
Yeah.
or 5.
Ordering is not required.
Okay.
So for category, you have to mention, but here it's not required. So description we have, that's fine. Now here we are going to add some attributes so that we can provide some link. Yes, that's it. So inside this attribute, we are going to add one map. Inside the map, we can add the link. So here you can add your entry key. So what is the link? Entry key will be URL. And you can mention your value. So debug page link. This will be the debug page link. We have provided we have closed the entry key. Okay. So we have attributes, we have map in place, we have entry key, that's fine. Debug page is the object name. You don't require these modified values because it will fetch automatically. If you are not going to remove also, nothing is going to happen. We have custom object, external, that's fine. Let's try to save this object. Good. I was expecting this. So we are getting some error. We have to fix this. Okay, guys. So guys, pay attention. So what is the error? So here we have double comma. We have to remove this. Now let's try to save. Okay, we are able to save. So we have an object called custom. What was the object name? Sorry. Debug page is the object name. We have created a quick link category. We have created quick link object. Now we are going to enable. To enable, go to gear icon, global settings. So go to quick link populations. Okay, go to everyone. So here we have a quick links. And we have created this quick link object called debug. Just click on that. So are you going to allow only for yourself or for other people also? So this option will be used whenever we are going to create quick link. We are going to introduce quick link object. So while submitting access request, this will be very helpful. Are you going to submit access request for yourself or for other people? So in that scenario, this option will be helpful, or else it's not required. So click save. That's it. So we have enabled this object, quick link object. Now click on this hamburger menu. It's not appearing. Why? Anyone?
We need to
Refresh it.
refresh or aggregate. I don't know, aggregate.
No, aggregate is not the right one. So just log out and log in is enough. Sometimes you have to restart your application services. So click on the hamburger menu now. So we have the fourth category called custom. If you are going to expand that, the object will be available. So imagine you have a requirement. Whenever employee is going to click on this link, the access request automatically should get submitted, and some required business role needs to be added, something like that. Yeah, we can implement that too. So in this scenario, the for me and for others will be helpful. I'm going to click here for me. So it will redirect to the debug page. It's a simple fun. If you want to explore more, yeah, the document is already provided on quick links. You can refer that.
Rakesh, I have created capabilities for different user where he is now able to access application and task and view certification.
Sani, let me complete this quick link. If you have any questions, we can discuss in the last 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So guys, any question from quick link populations, quick links? Okay, I have a question. So we have created a quick link object, but this quick link should be available only for developers. This quick link should be available only for particular department people. So how to do that? So in that scenario, we can use this membership option. So are you going to include all the identities, or do you want to exclude any identity to use this quick link? So something like that. We can use this membership rule. So we have match list.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.